In this video, I will teach you how to tie a bowline. Please like and subscribe the video. First of all, we will need a rope. Next, we create a loop. Make sure the working end is at the top. Followed by take the working end pass through the loop. Next, we will have the working end go under the rope. Followed by taking the working end and pass back to the hole. Lastly, one hand hold the loop in the working end, another hand hold the running end, and pull it together. And here you go, a bowline. Now, I will show you how to tie a bowline with mnemonic phrase. First, you create a loop to represent a hole. Next, this end is the rabbit. And here we go. The rabbit stick the head up of the hole, running around the tree. Got scared and run back to the hole again. And here you go again, a bowline. Now, what are the benefits of a bowline? First, it is easy to tie. The bowline is a simple and fast knot to tie, making it a good option when caving or in rescue situations. Second, resistant to slipping. Bowline knots do not slip or bind when stressed by a heavy load. Lastly, it do not jam. Bowline knots are very easy to untie after you're done using them and do not jam when stressed with a heavy load. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.